Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your go-to channel for sharp stock breakdowns. I'm Mitchell, and today we're diving into Beasley Broadcast Group, ticker BBGI, a radio and digital media powerhouse that's making waves in 2025. Hold on to your seats. As of December 10th, BBGI shares have surged an astonishing 113% today, rocketing from a prior close of $4.05 to highs over $9.75. This explosive move is fueled by aggressive cost-cutting measures that slashed operational expenses and boosted gross profits, earning a big thumbs up from investors. Whispers of a potential acquisition deal are adding fuel to the fire, sparking speculation on a game-changing shift for the company. This rally follows BBGI's Q3 2025 earnings release on November 10th, where net revenue hit $51 million, down 12.4% year over year, but aligning with guidance amid tough ad markets. With a dirt cheap price to book ratio of 0.06 signaling undervaluation, the future looks promising, but watch the volatility and debt risks. Analysts remain cautiously optimistic. Is this the breakdown BBGI needs? Drop your take in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for daily market insights. Until next time, trade smart. Guys, links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.